Hello, all you beautiful souls. You are listening to Preeti Vora. I am a tarot card reader and an emotional health advisor. And most of you who have done sessions with me or via reading or my workshops or who are regular followers of my posts on Instagram, my videos on YouTube, or any of my informative posts on Facebook will know that I always vouch and often use this one statement, and that is everything in the universe is energy and is related to vibrations. We all vibrate at a particular frequency as we ourselves are a mass of energy in this entire universe. And everything around us is nothing but energy. So, having said this, how does energy flow to and flow from our body? We have energy centers, which I generally refer to as the spine of the energy body. So we have two bodies, a physical body and an energy body. Like we have our spine, which is the most important part of our physical body. We have energy centers throughout our energy body as well. And they are commonly known as chakras. And energies from the universe to the universe flow in and out through these chakras. Chakras is a Sanskrit word which means wheels or discs, but it's not necessary that these center points are round in shape or they are like wheels or discs. However, we use this in visualization techniques to help activate our energy centers. So, energy centers, often and commonly known as chakras, are the spine. They form the spine of the energy body in our human field. Now, there are several chakras in our body. Okay, however, there are 7 major hubs, major energy centers, which are the 7 major chakras. Most of us have heard of it, and if you have not, then I will be happy to throw some light on the same. And these chakras help energy flow to and fro from our body. If these chakras or energy points are blocked or there is some kind of an issue or an imbalance in it, then that is reflected in our life. It is reflected as illness in our body. It is reflected as emotional disturbances in our relationships. Our financials can be affected. It basically disrupts our entire life in various aspects. So in order to establish an inner balance and ensure that physically, emotionally we are healthy and fine, it is very important to know the basics and fundamentals of these chakras. So let me talk about some advantages of having a perfectly balanced and aligned chakras. Firstly, chakras help to establish a balance amongst all of our organs within, okay, our physical organs. If chakras are healthy and balanced, automatically our physical state, our health is very balanced and good. Now chakras also help in strengthening the immune system. Now this is both at the energy level as well as the physical level. Energy level, if you have a imbalanced chakra, you're more prone to negative energies attacking you. But a balanced chakra system helps you strengthen and develop a protective cover for your own self, which will help you be more positive, be more protected from any kind of external negative energies that can harm you. Also, your emotions are governed by these chakras. So, chakras help to harmonize your emotions. They bring about an emotional balance within you. So, how important these chakras could be for your physical and emotional well-being. There are many more advantages which we will definitely be talking about in our detailed workshop that I am going to introduce soon. Now, these chakras affect our life drastically. But it is very important for us to access and to know which chakra is blocked and how much of it is impacted, because there are 7 chakras which are majorly impacted, and there are different ways of identifying the extent of impact that these chakras have. Whether you have a completely open chakra, you have a completely blocked chakra, all of this is very clearly determined by various tools and techniques. So here is what I have to offer to you on this new moon day, which is the 21st of June 2020. I am rolling out an offer where we will analyze the blockages, the imbalance in your chakra. So whether your chakra is balanced, not balanced, if it's not balanced, what is the extent of it? There is a report that would be rolled out to you, and if you are interested in understanding these chakras and understanding what is the percentage of impact on your chakras, feel free to connect with me this new moon on my Facebook page Divine Touch by Preeti Vora, or on my Facebook group Divine Touch by Preeti Vora, or you can simply write into me in the comments below and I shall connect with you soon. So it is very important that we understand how much of our chakras really need to be worked on. And let me tell you this, 99% of the times we have an imbalance in our chakras. The extent could differ from person to person. For some it could be nearly 5 to 10%, for some it could be much higher, and this is how your life gets impacted. So it's very important that the 7 chakras, the 7 energy centers in our body are healthy, and this is a stepping stone for it. Once you have identified how much of an impact or how much of an imbalance the chakra has, we will move on to a workshop which will talk about balancing the chakras, the 7 chakras. It will give you in-depth knowledge of each chakra, what is it associated with, how does it benefit you, why is it so important to balance the chakra, the results out of an imbalanced chakra. We will be sharing a lot of tools for balancing your chakra, right from mudras to chants to affirmations to mantras, and to also techniques that you can follow which are very simple and doable in daily life, so that you can start balancing your chakras. People who will be attending this workshop will have an added benefit while they are doing the analysis report. So the first step to it is do the analysis and then move on to enrolling for the workshop. So if you are interested in knowing any further details, please feel free to write into me. You can also email me on divinetouch.preetivora@gmail.com. All of these details will be given below, so you can just go through the links, or simply comment on this video and I shall get back to you. Thank you. Have a blessed day.